Howdy everybody, back on the Packard. We got the rod bearings in. New old stock. 20 over. And I'm working on the gas tank. What I did, I cut this out of the other tank. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me go get that. I cut this out of this tank. It's got some issues. And then I cut that piece out of the other tank. And this will go in there just like that. And what I think I'll do, I'm just going to JB weld it, put a few sheet metal screws in there. I was gonna rivet it. Actually, I'd like to braze it or solder it, but you know, being on top, JB weld some screws in there, make it nice and tight. I think it'll be fine. Right now, I'm cleaning up all the rust inside. It's got a little rust in the inside there. Let's see if I can get that in there. I'm using a wire brush on it. It's actually not too bad. And then the other side, I cleaned all the rust up, painted it. Well, I sprayed it with that rust inhibitor. There is a paint that you can paint tanks with that kind of makes it look like a brand new tank, and that's what I'll do. But that other tank had this missing. It was all cut up, cut out, and I thought this might be an easier route than trying to cut this off and put that on the other tank. So, and I can get in here and clean all this up. But anyway, that's what's happening. So I'll go ahead and finish this up. Let's see what else. Oh, we got the radiator. There's a radiator shop. Still does those old radiators in Tampa, Florida. Had the generator rebuilt. I painted that. Let's see. I guess that's it. Things are moving along nicely. So, oh, and I got this transmission that shifts real good. I had to go in and methodically go. That grease got so hard in between those teeth and all those gears. I mean, man, it just wouldn't shift. I thought I had it once, but so anyway, now it shifts fine and everything's good, which is a real blessing because I guess we could have had this rebuilt somehow. I don't think I'd be capable of doing something like that. And I got the oil pump ready. I still gotta put the gaskets on it and stuff. That's the oil pump out of that other engine. I don't trust that other oil pump. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.